Andrew's got a trout. Let's go over here. It's been really good fishing this trip. A lot of water. Scoured with the net. Looks like a nice trout. What are they biting on? The end of my line. Nice.
That's a nice looking fish.
Yeah, that's a nice west slope.
That's 14 right there, I reckon.
Yeah, fat.
Nice and healthy.
Nice. Hold her up, Mr. Bockham.
Don't want to be picked up. Just let it go.
Yeah.
Nice looking fish.
Nice, chunky.
Get off the rod.
You gotta
dog.
say for yourself.
Nice fish.
Beautiful run.
Honey holes on tonight.
Yep. We're camped right over there. Signing out from the North Fork Coeur d'Alene.